English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 3, Number 8. Find the HCF. Number 1, 19, 15. 9 and 15. 9 and 15 common factor equal to 3 because both you can divide it by 3. Number 2, 9, 21 and 30. 31 common factor is 3. You can both divide it by 3. Number 3, 32, 36. 30 common factor 4. Because you can divide it both up by 4. Number 4 equal to common factor 1 because you cannot divide it by any other number of 13 and 14. Number 5, 12, 18 and 24 common factor 6 because you can divide it all of numbers by 6. Number 6, 12, 24 and 36 common factor 12 because you can divide it all of them by 12. Number 7, 26, 39, 52 common factor 30 because you can divide it all of them by 13. And number 8, 12, 6 and common factor 4 is can also divided by 4 all of them. Thank you.